Righto, today you join me in search of this stuff here. I don't know if you can see this up thing, but it's called pyrite. It's fool's gold. And we're going to go out Sponge Bay here. We're at Sponge Bay Beach. We're going to see if we can find some because we've had some hard waves these last few days, so we're going to go have a look. So where do we go, Liam?
Where that log is over there. I think the deposit of them kind of in that area.
There's a log sitting there, a big long log, and we're going to go around there and have a bit of a nosy in the rocks. See what we can find. Sometimes we find it in the bank, but we've noticed lately in the rocks you get a bit of shine. I'll show you anyway. Fingers crossed we bloody find one. Or some. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Right, we are down on the beach now, so we have a lot of success in this area here because this hill here is forever falling, so obviously be bloody careful if you do watch this video and come down because shit like this can just fall. So always, you know, check on where you are. But we have had good success when the waves tune it up, it sort of filters it through. So fingers crossed today we will find something to show you because I do have a bit of it at home now, so I'll end up just showing you that. So alright, I'll get looking and then we'll get back to you. Rightio, so this is what we're sort of talking about. This isn't the shiniest piece, but I have just located one, and if you clean that up, I don't know if you're going to see that very much, but there's a good bit of pyrite. So a lot of it goes rusty as well. It turns into this darker rust, which was gold before. So yeah, I suppose it stays out in the elements too long and then it just turns to shit. So good little find first, see what else we can find. Liam's just called me over, so he might be in luck. We'll see what he's got. Rightio, what do we got? Oh, I can see it already.
A few pieces here.
Here we go.
There's even more over here. It's quite a few pieces.
So look at the goldness to it.
Quite gold.
It's just obviously chewed up this bank and it's come through.
A lot of different colorations.
Wow. That one's very, very gold. Give it for a speckle, but look at that.
There's heaps. Probably underneath this gravel stuff too.
I can see it in there too, just tiny bits. There's another piece there. So sometimes you think, oh, there's like nothing here, and sometimes that is the case, but today look at that big clump. Now pick it all up. Some of it is really, really gold, and then some, like this bit here would have been gold as, but it's obviously starting to go that brown color. There's another bit over there. Oh, it's everywhere. We're really after a massive piece, but you know, it's still pretty cool to find, like a little treasure hunt. I can see another piece over here. If I just move this here, there's another piece right here. And then Liam's just found more. Wow. And there's another piece there. I wish it was real gold. We might be on some money maker there. Do find the odd ones stuck to the rocks like that as well. But you just want a big piece. Where are the big pieces? There's so many of these brown ones. They're just yeah, you gotta definitely look out for those. Standing under these.
Here's one in the rocks at the top.
Don't want this shit to fall, it's all crumbly. So just be careful. Here we go. This is how you sort of find them in the wall.
And it's a surprise to work out how big it is because it's covered in mud.
And we're always hoping it's just massive.
It's
But
shiny.
that wall is the same. You'll go along and sometimes you'll see a sparkly bit and you'll just pull on it if it comes out. Sometimes it can be very, very hard to even pull it out of the wall. But that's how we first found them until we looked in the rocks when a guy told us that's where you sort of find them as well. So makes sense. The wall collapses and filters through. But yeah, dodgy wall. Right, so I just found this piece here and it's the right size and it's sort of shiny, but it's also started to brown up already, so I'm just going to leave it here. That would have been an alright size one though. But yeah, with it already starting to brown, probably going to brown up a lot quicker as well. So I'll just put that back there, and if I put it on the shiny side, someone might find them a treat. And if kids, you know, if you find them for kids, they might think it's real gold, and then you're winning. You don't have to buy them anything gold. They'll just think it is. So they're old enough to go, nah.
Might not show on the camera in a certain light, but there's actually one right here. You can see it. If I can try and get it out.
Sometimes they're stuck in there quite a lot. There we go.
See? When you polish it up, it should come out, man. That'd be real.
Even like there's speckles, there's another one there. Tiny.
Yeah, one here too. Yeah.
Righto, what do we got?
Just takes to look around. Like there's a piece right there, there's a piece right here,
And
there's a piece over here, there's a decent sized little pieces.
You know what? I walked right over that. Just in certain lights, you can see it more. But yeah, it's still here. And the waves are filtering where we sort of normally look, so yeah, decent colour. That's cool. Just when I thought that I haven't seen one in a bank, because I was like, Liam's find them all. I was just walking past this big bank here, and I noticed this one right here. You can see it? Here we go. Add it to my list. Here we go. That's what we're talking about. That looks very shiny and very squares. A lot of squares.
No, just pause it.
Saying that again to dig them out. We'll be back for you in a second. Right, we're back. That is a good size. Very shiny. Much bigger than my lot when you put them together. And we found another one somewhere over here. There we go, another one on the hill there.
That's a lot smaller, it's just mud.
Oh yeah. Can't let them have all the fun. I'll just see me one in this bloody slippery bank. There we go. Bit of colour to it. After a massive, no luck. Must have found some more. Just gonna make our way out now. The tide's coming up, but I thought I'd just finish it off. I did see one on this hill here, and now I've looked away. I can't see it again, but it was right in front of me. Not that one. Damn it! Where is it? Always the way, eh? There is one in this bank though. I did see it. Okay, try that again. Here we go. Tiny bugger. Oh, don't lose it again. Here we go. So, you could honestly walk over them or walk past them. Like we walked down there and then I walked back and Liam's like, oh, look at this. And I'm like, fuck, I just walked there. Okay, here's another piece. There we go, bit shiny. Just like that. I haven't really looked in this bank before, so we'd be on the log, so yeah, you just never know. You never know. Pretty cool though if you want to take your kids on a treasure hunt. Something different. Just be wary walking down there. Can be slippery, and you just got to watch out for those banks, because fuck, I'd hate for anyone to get hurt after watching this video. Would not be a nice feeling. So you just be cautious. Look up before you even decide to go near the bank, especially on a windy day or whatever, or a rainy day. Yeah, be careful. Be very careful. That's us. We're just heading out now, so we've got enough, and he's got enough. But what we're going to do is filter through, because I've still got heaps at home, and we're both going to leave stuff up at the top car, where the car park area is, where people watch the ocean or the sunset or whatever, and see if anyone picks them up. Probably end up on Facebook, someone going, I found gold, which would be really funny, but props to them, take it. But yeah, that's us on our way out, and I'll film just putting it up there, and then that should be it. So yeah, if you like this sort of stuff and this sort of random missions, it's local, but yeah, follow along, more the merrier. There you go, someone finds it. There's some treasure. Sponge Bay over and out.